Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. I have a Stryker SR-447. This is for Greg in Ohio, and this is a tune-up report. Greg, over on this watt meter I have 30 watts across the bottom scale. Coming in at about 11 watts. Let me put it on the low scale now. 10 watts across the top. I'm going to turn it down. Should be down at about 1. So we got 1 to 11 watts dead key. Peak power, 100 watt scale. We're going to be looking in here. This is 20, that's 40, that's 60. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Okay. Put this baby on here. Well, before I do, let me fix up the echo a little bit. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They love Roger Beats down here on 19. How about at 19? Can I get a radio check, please? Breaker. I appreciate it, there, driver.